evolution!
So what exactly is evolution? Well, it's a theory formulated by this guy, Charles Darwin. Darwin was a scientist who consolidated his theory after visiting the Galapagos Islands. At the time, these isolated islands were only accessible by boat. So in 1831, Darwin boarded the HMS Beagle, no relation, and set out on a voyage to reach the coastal islands. Darwin spent 5 weeks on the islands in 1835. While there, he observed and made notes on the different animal species. He mostly studied tortoises and finches. Darwin compiled his findings into his theory of evolution, which he discussed in his book On the Origin of Species, published in 1859. His theory discussed natural selection, also known as survival of the fittest. A common example of this is with giraffes. It is believed that millions of years ago, giraffes had varying neck lengths. However, only giraffes with elongated necks were able to feed off the leaves on the tall trees. As a result, the giraffes with longer necks were able to survive and pass their genes onto their offspring, while the shorter-necked giraffes perished. Let's explore this phenomenon with mustaches. Imagine there are 3 types of mustaches: the Charlie Chaplins, the horseshoes or Hulk Hogan's, and the handlebars, or as I like to call them, the Salvador wannabes. All of these mustaches inhabit a volcanic island. One day, the volcano erupts. The Charlie Chaplins and the Hulk Hogans feed off of bushes and trees and other forms of vegetation that get destroyed by the volcanic lava. As a result, they perish. Only the Salvador wannabes survive, because they were able to find other means of food. Thus, they live on, reproduce, and pass on their genes. Now only the wannabe variations of the mustache are left. So Salvador Dali's legacy can live on through Mustache Memorial, and also like art or something, I think. This is the idea of evolution, the physical or behavioral change in organisms over long periods of time in order to better adapt.